Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about JavaScript if-else statement. So the if-else statement is used to execute a portion of the code based on the condition. So this is the JavaScript conditional statement. So there are three types of if statement. So first of all we have the simple if statement. Secondly we have the if-else statement. And thirdly we have the if-else if statement. So first of all we're going to talk about the if statement. So inside the script tag, first of all we're going to create one variable with the value 25, and now we're going to use the if statement, and now inside the parentheses we need to have the condition. So if the value of x is greater than 20, then we're going to console log greater than 20. So now we're gonna save this, and to see the output we have to go to inspect, and then we have to go to console, and you can see we have the output greater than 20. So in the simple if statement the condition is checked, and because the condition is true, that's why the string is printed onto the console. And now we're going to talk about the if-else statement. So the if-else statement has one else part. So whenever the if condition becomes false, then the code we write inside the else block will be executed. Like in this example, in the else part we are going to console log the string less than 20, and now we're going to change the value of the x to 15. So now we're going to save this, and you can see the output less than 20. So this time, because the if condition is false, that's why the statement we write inside the else part has got executed, and the string less than 20 has shown in the console. And now we're going to talk about the if-else if statement. So the if-else if has one if statement, and it has several else if part. Like in example, we have the else if with another condition, like if the value of x is greater than 10, then we're gonna console log greater than 10, and this way we can have several other else if block with condition, like if value of x is greater than equal 0, then we're going to console log greater than 0. And also it can have the else part. So whenever all of the conditions become false, then only the else part will be executed, and inside the else part we're going to console log negative number. So in the else if letter we have several else if block with their own condition. So whenever any of the conditions become true, then the corresponding block of code will be executed. But if none of the conditions become true, then the code we write inside the else part will get executed. So if we change the value of x to 9, and if we save this, and you can see the output greater than 0. That's because first two conditions have become false, only the third condition is true. That's why we have the output greater than 0 onto the console. So this way in JavaScript we can use the if-else statement, and we can conditionally execute portion of the code inside our program. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.